Hello traders, the title of this video is Elliott Wave Practitioner clears waves count of a higher degree. Elliott Wave Practitioner clears wave count of a higher degree. Alright, so here we are. I'm on the weekly chart of the US dollar, Swedish krona. All right, so you may be wondering, George, what's going on? So I've been posting, as I explained to traders at 24 Elliott Wave, all right? I've been posting Forex Elliott Wave trading videos at 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. That's the best place to post those videos, though they are about Elliott Wave trading. They are relating to Forex. Therefore, I will post them at 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. So check that channel, subscribe to it if you are trading Elliott Wave and you are also a Forex trader, or you want to improve, your Elliott Wave trading. All right. So recently I have posted a video. I've been recording video. Maybe it's not yet posted. I'm going to post another video today. Okay, so stay tuned at 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. Okay, so talking about Elliott Wave Practitioner clears wave count of a higher degree. So at the beginning of the year 2016, I think so, I posted a video that I talk about the secret of Elliott Wave validation, a very popular video, and I was talking about the ratio of 1 to 22. Normally I should not be sharing this for free, but because you are my friend, we did talk about it for free. All right? Because when it comes to Elliott Wave, I give everything for free. And sometimes other traders hate me for that, but okay, that's fine. Okay, ratio 1 to 22. All right? That's the ratio talking about the time frames. Right? That we should use when we are talking about higher degree and lower degree. That's normally 1 to 22. On a weekly chart, as you can see, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, followed by a complex flat correction. So this is on the weekly chart. So that wave count on the weekly chart, okay, it is a wave count of a lower degree in comparison to 22 weeks time frame using a ratio 1 to 22. Or we can say this wave count on the weekly chart is a wave count of a lower degree in comparison to the wave count of a higher degree, okay, on the yearly chart or on the quarterly chart, for instance. So practically speaking, what's the meaning of that? So you may be watching video on YouTube, they are talking about higher degree, lower degree, what's going on, blah, 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 blah. All right? So how practically when we are using Elliott Wave, what does it mean? So it means that on this time frame, though I count a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave here, plus a flat correction, on this weekly chart, we are expecting the flat correction to be completed, forming, okay, the corrective phase, okay, for this motive wave. But when we are talking about comparing the wave count on this weekly chart to a higher time frame, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves is just a single impulse wave on the higher time frame of a higher degree. That's what it meant. So if we are talking about 22 weeks from here to here, that will be one wave, just one single wave. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's just one impulse wave. And this complex flat correction up to this point, which is not finished here, the flat correction is not finished here. We are waiting for the C part of the flat correction when it's completed. So when it is completed and it stops somewhere here, all right? So from here to here, that will be a fast wave of a higher degree on a 22 weeks time frame, on a higher time frame. And this flat correction will be the second wave of a higher degree. But on the weekly chart, it is an Elliott wave cycle that will be completed when the flat correction is here. So talking about the Elliott wave cycle on the weekly chart, is formed of the multi-wave, all right, plus the correction. All right, but that multi-wave on the weekly chart, it is the first wave of on the higher degree that is subdivided into 5 monowave on the weekly chart. And the flat correction on this weekly chart is the second wave of a higher degree. Am I making sense? All right. So the wave counts. So this is how we trade. So you need to understand what's going on. We are talking about Elliott wave pattern, our fractal pattern. So I will speak to 2-4 Elliott wave trader. I need to remind trader that I will speak to TSTW24 trader very briefly. Is that remember the TSTW24 has nothing to do with Elliott wave. We don't apply Elliott wave with the TSTW24. Very simple trading system. So I need to mention that because I'm talking about Elliott wave here. Trader will think that it's about Elliott wave, nothing to do with Elliott wave. So what we usually see, you see, so bullish trend has begun, all right. For instance, on a 5-minute time frame, you see it, all right, it's going up. But usually, so the corresponding higher time frame for the 5-minute time frame is 22 times 5, using the ratio 1 to 22. All right. So we can use the 2-hour time frame, for instance, as the corresponding higher time frame for the 5-minute time frame. So you see sometime on the 5-minute time frame, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price is above the moving on 100. And the correction will take place, bringing the price back to the moving of 100. Boom. Or a flat correction. Sometimes you may see a flat correction will bring the price back below the moving of 100. But sometimes they will think that, okay, bearish progression is about to begin, but it's not. But if you are an Elliott wave trader, a multi-talented trader looking at the price structure, you understand what's happening. So on your 5-minute time frame, you will see multi-wave plus a correction, or a multi-wave plus a complex correction. But don't get fooled. Remember that the wave count on the 5-minute time frame is just one. It's a one cycle, but that cycle is a mini cycle of a bigger cycle. So you want to connect the dots. So that's what we are doing here. Though on a weekly chart, we see that this first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus a flat correction, we don't get full. We know that this cycle is a mini cycle of a bigger cycle. So when we are comparing this wave count of a lower degree to a higher degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's one wave. Flat correction, still to be completed, will be the second wave of a higher degree. Am I explaining the higher degree and the lower degree? A simple way to put it to traders is that wave count on a lower time frame in comparison to a wave count of a higher time frame. There is a link, and the exact link is 1 to 22. Wave count, we want to add it correctly. You'll see sometimes that's what people get confused. So on the hourly time frame, traders are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they see correction. They say, yeah, correction is finished now. We are going to have a bearish trend. No, it doesn't mean that you're definitely going to have a bearish trend as such. Okay, compare your wave count that time frame to the higher degree to know where that truly, okay, a bigger cycle also is ending. So we will be talking about a real bearish trend at the end of an uptrend when the medium trend cycle, the short-term trend cycle is completed, medium-term trend cycle is completed, and the medium-term cycle is completing at the time when the long-term trend cycle also is completing. So when the long-term cycle is being complete, is going to finish, all right, bullish cycle is finished, all right, bullish trends, talking about bullish trend, for instance, is finishing, we are likely to see a bearish trend. All right, this is it. Okay, so from the US dollar, Swedish krona, I will bring on now another financial instrument. We will talk about the US dollar, Norwegian krona, which is almost similar to the US dollar, Swedish krona. I'll be recording another video today when I will be talking about Elliott wave trader explains a parallel wave count strategy. And I will be comparing the US dollar, Swedish krona, to the US dollar, Norwegian krona, talking about parallel wave count strategy. Let's look at the US dollar, Norwegian krona. Well, it's my drawing. I have a drawing. Yes, here they are. Okay, good. Okay, well, at TC 2000 is making me a bit upset now. All right. So here we are. So here again on the weekly chart, here we are, my wave count, which I posted at 24 Elliott waves, 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, followed by a flat correction. 1, 2, 3. All right. This is the B part of the flat correction. We are still waiting for the C part of the flat correction to be completed. All right. But when that flat correction is completed, comparing this wave count on the weekly chart of the US dollar Norwegian krona, that's a wave count of a lower degree in comparison to the wave count of another higher time frame. The exact higher time frame to the weekly chart is the 22 weeks. All right. So we will say wave count of a minor degree, the trend in phase of a minor degree is an impulse wave of a higher degree. The corrective phase of a minor degree is a corrective wave of a higher degree. The Elliott wave cycle of a lower time frame is a mini cycle of a higher degree. Another way to put it to traders is this: the Elliott wave cycle on one time frame, okay, is usually, I'm choosing my word carefully, is usually corresponding to the first and the second wave of a higher degree. That is why with the internal wave of the first and the second wave, we can forecast the multi-wave and the corrective phase. Do you remember that video? How to forecast the multi-wave or the Elliott wave cycle using just the first wave and the second wave, the internal wave of the first and the second wave. This is the reason. The whole secret of the Elliott wave, all right, is hidden in the internal wave of the first and the second wave. This is about the fractal trading. Check it out at dayprotrader.com. Fractal trading. This is where the secret is. So it's all adding up. So you see here, trend in first, correction corresponding to first and second wave of a higher degree. Have I cleared all the misunderstanding about higher degree and lower degree? Have I missed something? Is there anything you want us to talk about more? All right. You need to understand what I'm trying to do at 24 Elliott wave YouTube channel. Behind the scene, there are other things going on, but I will not talk about it in a public place. Is this? I do care about those who want to master the Elliott wave traders, and that's why we have this channel to give our bit, so to speak, to help those traders understand or to apply the Elliott wave theory more profitable. Have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We appreciate your interaction at 24 Elliott wave, and this is how we will build this channel or make it a great channel on YouTube. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders. Talking about Elliott wave practitioner clears wave count of a higher degree. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.